Good afternoon to you all. Honorable Madam Dr. Shailja Pant, Principal, Dolphin PG Institute of Biomedical and Natural Sciences. Dr. Shruti Sharma, Coordinator, Internal Quality Assurance Cell, Dolphin PG Institute. Dr. Gyanendra Awasthi, Head, Department of Biochemistry and Organizing Secretary of this training program. Faculty members, respected HODs, resource persons of the workshop and their participants. I, Prerna Nunda, Faculty, Dolphin Institute, welcome you all in the valedictory of 1 week certificate course on immunological techniques organized by Department of Biochemistry, Dolphin PG Institute, in collaboration with Department of Medical Lab Technology, Pandit Lalit Mohan Sharma Campus, Rishikesh, Shridev Suman, Uttarakhand University, and sponsored by Uttarakhand Science Education and Research Center, Government of Uttarakhand. I now request Dr. Shruti Sharma to welcome Principal Ma'am with the happening. Welcome, ma'am. Thank you. I now request Principal Ma'am Dr. Shailja Pant for her address.
Thank you, Prerna. A very good evening to one and all present here in the auditorium, the participants, the faculty members and my colleagues on the dais. The whole 1 week program and the students, especially from those who have joined this program from the other institute, I would like to know that you would have a good experience in this because I have seen the activities on daily basis. That was very exhaustive program with lectures in the morning, demonstrations, and practical in the forenoon session. So how was the session? Very good. Okay. So that was the main purpose with this initiative. The organizers, they took so much of efforts so that the basic immunological techniques, especially the hands-on, to be demonstrated and you could practically perform the experiments. All the resource persons, they had the expertise in that field. So I'm sure, and with your faces also, I feel that you have a significant takeaway after attending this workshop, right? I would like that some of you also come in front and share your experience. So I congratulate all the participants for successful completion. Especially, I congratulate the organizers and the resource persons who worked very hard for this program. At the same time, I have requested to the organizers of this program that we'll arrange a second level program. This was with the basic immunological techniques. So in the second level, we are planning to propose a program with advanced immunological techniques and their application. And definitely, those who have participated in the first level program, they will give them the preference. Okay, once again, congratulations and best wishes for your future. Thank you.
Thank you, madam, for your praiseworthy words and appreciation. I now invite Dr. Gyanendra Awasthi, Organizing Secretary of the training module, to present his report on one.
Thank you, Prerna. Good evening to one and all. Dr. Shailja Pant, Principal, Dolphin Institute, Dehradun. Dr. Shruti Sharma, Coordinator, IQAC, Dolphin Institute, Dehradun. Fellow faculty members and dear learners. I am privileged to present a brief report of 1 week certificate course on immunological techniques from 2nd of March to 8th of March 2022, organized by Department of Biochemistry, Dolphin Institute, Dehradun, in collaboration with Department of Medical Lab Technology, LMS College, Rishikesh, campus of Shridev Suman, Uttarakhand University. The program was sponsored by Uttarakhand Science Education Research Center, Dehradun. 40 learners from different colleges of Dehradun participated in the program. The program was inaugurated by Professor Dr. Anita Rawat, Director USAR Dehradun, on 2nd March 2022. In her inaugural address, she discussed about the mandate of USAR and emphasized the importance of hands-on trainings. The keynote speaker of the day was Professor Dr. Simacharya, Head Department of Pathology, SGRR Medical College, Dehradun. She discussed about flow cytometry principle and application in detail. On the second day, there was a guest lecture by Dr. Narottam Sharma, Director DNLF Uttarakhand, and the topic of his lecture was application of serological markers for the characterization of bacterial and viral infections. On the same day, there was a hands-on training by Mr. Rajesh Jha, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Dolphin Institute, Dehradun, and in charge, Mabala Sundri Diagnostic Center, Dolphin Institute, on the characterization of WBC by manual method, where the identification of WBC under a microscope was conducted, and the characterization of WBC by cell counter was also demonstrated. He also explained about the advantages of cell counter over the manual method. On the day 3 of the course, the hands-on training was conducted on serological investigations in pathological laboratories. The learners conducted major serological tests like Vidal and RPR. The session was supervised by Mr. Aditya Saru, Associate Professor and Head Department of Pathology, Dolphin Institute, Dehradun. On the day 4th of the course, that is 5th March 2022, learners studied immunodiffusion techniques. They conducted the practicals for SRID, single radial immunodiffusion, and double immunodiffusion techniques. They also learned about the various reactions, that is the reactions of identity, partial identity, and non-identity. This session was conducted by Ms. Dipti Gulati, Associate Professor, Department of Biotechnology, Dolphin Institute, Dehradun. On the day 5th of the course, 6th March 2022, online lecture was conducted by our ex-colleague, Dr. Pravanshu Tripathi, who is now Senior Scientist, Food Toxicology Division, Indian Institute of Toxicology Research, Lucknow. The topic of his lecture was gut microbiome and its role in immunity, in which he explained the role of gut microbiome, factor affecting the gut microbiome, and the role of probiotics. On the day 6th of the course, 7th March 2022, the session was taken by Dr. Tripti Malikan Ahuja, Associate Professor, Department of Microbiology, Dolphin Institute, Dehradun. She demonstrated rocket immunoelectrophoresis and students conducted the practical of the same. She explained how this method is used to determine the concentration of a specific protein in the sample. On the day 7 of the course, that is 8th March 2022, the session is conducted by me. I am Associate Professor in the Department of Biochemistry. The topic of my lecture was ELISA technique, in which students learned about different type of ELISA and conducted TSH estimation in serum sample through sandwich ELISA. The whole 1 week certificate course on immunology technique was designed to expose the student about basic immunology techniques, and I think it has served its purpose. I want to end this my report with a quote. चला तो मैं अकेले था पर लोग जुड़ते गए और कारवा बन गया. Thank you.
So it's thank you, sir. It's never too late than never. I again apologize and request Shruti Ram to welcome Principal Madam with the sapling. Please welcome ma'am with a huge round of applause. Thank you, ma'am. Dear participants, over the last 1 week, you had a very hectic schedule in the spinning module, and I'm sure you all must have a very wonderful learning experience. So now it's time that we would like all of we would like to hear your views about the training module. So please, I invite you for your feedback.
Michael.
Students,
You may stand at your seat and
Who would be speaking?
please stand up at your place.
Good evening to all of you. Good evening to all of you. I am Pragati Trivedi from the Department of Pathology. ये जो 7 दिन का वर्कशॉप था ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही बेनिफिशियल रहा और ये हमारे फर्दर स्टडीज के लिए भी बहुत ही हेल्पफुल रहेगा और हमने इसमें बहुत ही कुछ सीखा, डिफरेंट टाइप्स के टेक्निक्स सीखे और मैं ये चाहती हूँ कि ऐसा वर्कशॉप कॉलेज में बार-बार होता रहे ताकि ये हम जैसे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बहुत ही हेल्पफुल रहे। Thank you to Principal Ma'am, Shruti Ma'am and Gyanendra Awasthi Sir and to SUB team to giving this opportunity to us. Thank you all the teachers. Thank you.
Thank you, Pragati.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Pragati Mandu from Science Institute of Biomedical and Biosciences from BSc Medical Microbiology Department. I would like to thank Dolphin Institute and also you, sir, for providing us this wonderful opportunity to have this 1 week certificate program. It was very good for us, provided us a lot of experience. We are very known to this all things, but practice is very important in a proper manner. And we got this opportunity by you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Pragya.
Good afternoon, everyone. So my name is Alia Ali, and I am from Uttarakhand PG College of Biomedical Health and Sciences. So first of all, I would like to express my gratitude to user and Dolphin Institute that they have given us such an opportunity where we can learn so much things. And this 1 week certificate course on immunological technique were really beneficial for us. The teachers are really experienced, and I have learned so many things in a simplified manner. And not even for once I have realized that I'm not working in my own institute. So it was really beneficial, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Alia. Please come forward for your views.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shiva Mitlani. I'm from last year of Masters in Zoology. This is totally a different course from my point of view because in zoology there are mostly field works and all. So from my personal point of view, हमने last second या third sem में DNA electrophoresis किया था. So I was not totally in control with micropipette. It's a basic thing, but इसमें मेरा control आ गया है due to this technique, due to this program. So it's very good.
Thank you, Shiva. Okay, thank you all. So now, dear participants, now it's time to certify your efforts and hard work. And I invite all the dignitaries of the dais to come forward for certificate distribution and group photographs. You all will get this, dear participants, you all will get a feedback form that is requested to fill it at your earliest today and submit it. You can submit by tomorrow also. So I'll call you institute wise and you please come forward, all of you. All the participants from Science Institute, please come forward. Participants from Immunological College of Biomedical Science and Hospitals. Participants from LMS College Rishikesh. No one is here from Pandit Lalit Mohan Sharma College. Okay. Participants from Devbhoomi Uttarakhand University. Participants from Department of Zoology, Dolphin PG Institute. Participants from Medical Lab Technology. Participants from Department of Biotechnology, Dolphin Institute. Department of Biochemistry, Dolphin Institute. Moving on, now it's time to honor the resource persons for the smooth conduction of the program. I now humbly invite Dr. Tripti Malik Abuja. Participants from Department of Microbiology. I now invite Dr. Tripti Malik Abuja, our important resource person.
Yeah, good evening all. Now I want to invite Ms. Prerna Kaupla for coordinating this whole program. So, Mr. Rajesh Shah from Department of Ecology.
Ms. Dipti Gulati. Dr. Ashwini Sanghi. Dr. Shiv Sharan Singh. Mr. Aditya Swaroop. Dr. Vidit Tyagi. And the organizing secretary and team leader, Dr. Gyanendra Awasthi. Thank you all. You may take your seats now. I now invite Dr. Vidit Tyagi, co-organizing secretary, to propose the formal vote of thanks.
Thank you, Prerna ma'am. Good evening to all. Thank you is such a prayer that cannot be seen or touched. It must be felt by heart. I feel honored and privileged to get the opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on the validity function. Well, such an event can't happen overnight. Wheels starts rolling around a week ago. It requires planning and bird's eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be supported by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues of the Institute. I, Dr. Vidityagi, on behalf of organizing committee, take this opportunity to propose vote of thanks to those who have directly or indirectly contributed to this one-week certificate course on immunological techniques organized by Department of Biochemistry in collaboration with Pandit Lalit Mohan Sharma, Rishikesh Campus, SDS, Uttarakhand University. My sincere thanks to Chairman Sir Mr. Arvind Gupta and OSD Srimati Aarti Gupta for their wholehearted support and guidance. I would like to thank our principal, Dr. Shajapan, for her constant support and guidance that radiated a source of energy within us. Thank you, ma'am. I extend a very hearty thankful to IQC coordinator Dr. Shruti Sharma for honoring this occasion by her graceful presence. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to thank directors Mr. N.K. Nagpal and Mr. Sunil Kaur for their constant support. Organizing committee is very much thankful to all the resource persons, Dr. Dipti Malikahuja, Ms. Dipti Gulati, Mr. Aditya Swarup, Mr. Rajesh, and Dr. Gyani Davasti for the contribution, informative talks, and interactive sessions. I am sure that the participants will benefit immensely from their learnings in this training of immunological techniques. I would also like to thank our administrative staff for their support and keen interest. I am very much thankful to the IT department, and especially to Mr. Deepak Tomar, Mr. Manoj Tomar, and their entire IT team for their constant efforts during the entire one-week program. My thanks are due to my colleagues, student volunteers, and participants from the different institutes. I am very much thankful to the state sponsoring agency USAT for funding this training. At the end, I want to say that if time is money, then today you have spent billions for us. Thanks to all for making this event successful.
Thank you, sir. And on this beautiful note, let us also thank the nation and show the love of our country. And so please rise up for the national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि गंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे
Thank you all for your presence. I invite you all for tea at the college cafeteria. Have a nice day.
आ गया जी